Hi, Cows with Touch on Repair. Dave speaking. We're just doing I'm just going to give a quick demo. I'm just going to be masking off the grout line to where we have to work on the maple here. We have to do some sanding and then some restaining, and then we got to refinish this whole entire edge on threshold. What I do is I'll line up my tape and I'll just go to like a 64th of an inch, just covering the grout. And there's just a little tiny separation, and because when I pull this off, I don't want to take and peel off any polyurethane and have it delaminate. And at the same time, I don't want anything touching this grout line. When a lacquer or a polyurethane or a conversion varnish hits this, it will go dark. Show you the example. You just get my fingernail and just kind of get into the groove. And we'll just go to the corner here. Yeah, to me, it's worth taking a little extra time to do a nice straight line, an accurate straight line, and still achieving a nice masked off grout line. And I just line up my blade on one into the corner, and I just have it quite accurate. And then I peel off my tape, and it should go right down in there. It looks perfect. I'll give you a little closer look here. Okay. So yeah, there's a very small grout line exposed, and this is all consistent throughout the whole entire, until the whole entire piece keeps on going down. It looks nice and straight, nice and steady, and it's ready for the masking paper and tape. So stay tuned.